Within your Google Analytics, I want you to check, and there's inside your analytics, there is an admin area. So for those of you who do have analytics, right, do make sure that you check and make sure that your Google Webmaster is connected, but also things that I want to make sure you check on is like your Google Analytics is a time zone. So if you're based in this time zone, you want to make sure it's on this time zone, but you also want to make sure that your web server, like the server that you're on, so make sure your Squarespace or your WordPress or your Shopify has the same time zone. I can't begin to tell you the number of people who have 2 different time zones and then your data seems to be off because of something small. Okay. Connect between your applications. So we talked about a lot of Google tools today. They all actually connect. And then when you get into Google Ads, you can connect even more. Okay, because you can connect your multiple. The last thing we also want you to do is, again, you're working with other people, please check your current user access and permissions. How many people have been in or out of your analytics, and do you need to remove someone to just protect the integrity of your data?